In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Pomodoro Technique with TickTick. The Pomodoro Technique helps you work in focused bursts, traditionally 25 minutes of deep work followed by a short break. TickTick builds this right into your task list so you can stay on track without extra apps. Here's how to run a clean session from start to finish. First, open TickTick in your browser and head to your Today view so you can see the task you want to tackle. Make sure you've decided on a single, clear task for this focus block. Smaller, well-defined tasks tend to fit neatly into one Pomodoro. Next, move your cursor to the task and click the three dots, the More Options icon that appears beside it. This opens a quick actions menu for that specific task. Hover over Start Focus in that menu. You'll see options related to focus timing appear so you can kick off a Pomodoro tied to this task. Click Start Pomo to begin your focus session. A timer will start counting down and TickTick will link the session to the task you selected. Keep your workspace quiet, silence notifications if you can, and dive into the task until the timer finishes. To keep an eye on your timer and progress, click Pomodoro on the left side of the interface. This opens the dedicated Pomodoro panel, where you can see the countdown clearly and access basic controls in one place. If you need to step away for a moment, click Pause. Use this sparingly. The power of the technique comes from uninterrupted attention. When possible, note the interruption and return quickly. If the session no longer makes sense, maybe the task is done early or priorities changed, click End. Ending the session stops the current Pomodoro and lets you move on without the timer running in the background. When you're ready to get back to work on the same session, click Continue. This resumes the countdown and keeps your progress tied to the same task so your focus stats remain accurate. At the end of the block, type a brief focus note. Write what you accomplished, any blockers you hit, and what you'll do next. These notes make your progress visible and help you improve future sessions. That's it. With these steps, you can start, monitor, pause, end, continue, and document Pomodoros right inside TickTick, keeping your focus tight and your tasks moving.